Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, May 22, 2023. Today's video is about Ålesund. Ålesund is a town and municipality in Møre og Romsdal County, Norway. The center of the town lies on the islands of Hessa, Aspøya, and Nørvøya, with newer developments located on the islands of Oksenøya. According to local legend, Ålesund was founded by Gangerolf, Rollo, in the 9th century, and in 1848 it was given the status of a town. In 1904, the town was largely destroyed in a fire and subsequently rebuilt, with most of the buildings constructed of stone in Art Nouveau style. This photograph depicts a view of Ålesund in September 2019 as seen from Aksla, a viewpoint over the town. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.